product stock list is checked on products that are almost out of stock. A copy of the product that needs to be produced will be added to the list. A production order form is created, starting with a production order number, a product code, and a seeding date. On the stock list, the production order number is added together with the date of availability and quantity. A ticket of the production order is created for the planning board. The ticket is added to the planning board on the day the seeding needs to be done. The labels for the trays are created, starting with the product number, the production order number, and the tray number. The labels are collected in a box together with the seeds and the seeding protocols. Every day, the planning board is checked for the orders that need to be produced. The production order form is collected from the office together with the box with labels, seeds, and protocols. The trays are being filled with substrate, seeding the seeds, covered with vermiculite, and irrigated with water. The numbered labels are added to each individual tray. The quantity of seeded trays is written on the production order form. The trays are put on numbered trolleys in the germination room. The location code is added to the production order form. On the planning board, the production ticket moves from the seeding day to the day that the trays need to be taken out of the germination room. Every day, the planning board is checked for the orders that need to be taken out of the germination room and moved to the greenhouse. The trays are taken out of the germination room. The trays are brought into the greenhouse and installed on the available locations. The location code and quantities are written on the production order form. The location code is also written on the stock list. On the planning board, the production ticket moves from the germination room day to the day that the trays need to be taken out of the greenhouse. After a determined time, the germinated seeds of each order and tray are counted. The germination rates are written on the production order form. Every day, the planning board is checked for the orders that need to be taken out of the greenhouse and moved to the hardening area. The trays are taken out of the greenhouse and installed on the available location in the hardening area. The location code and quantity is written on the production order form. The location code and quantity is also written on the stock list. On the planning board, the production ticket moves from the greenhouse day to the day that the trays need to be taken out of the hardening area. The sales order registration starts with the sales order number, customer information, delivery and payment information, and the sold products from the stock list. The stock list is checked on available production orders and locations. The production order and location code are written on the sales order form. The sales order number is written on the production order form. The sold quantity and the stock quantity is changed on the stock list. A ticket of the sales order is created for the planning board. The ticket is added to the planning board to the day that the products need to be packed and transported. The labels on the trays that have been sold are marked with a stripe to indicate the reservation for a sales order. Now the sales order is fully connected to one or more production orders, and the production order is fully connected to one or more sales orders. Every day, the planning board is checked for the sales orders that need to be collected from the hardening area, packed and transported to the customers. The sales order form is checked and taken to the right location. The trays are collected from the location in the hardening area and taken to the packing department. The trays are packed carefully in boxes or on transport racks for each sales order separately. The products are delivered to the customer according to the transport list.